CM 365, all about Carnatic music. Sri Tyagaraja Aradhana is celebrated every year at Thiruviyaru as a mark of respect to the great composer for giving us these immortal compositions. It was on Pushya Bagula Panchami day that Sri Tyagaraja attained Samadhi at the banks of the Kaveri in Thiruviyaru, and every year this day is celebrated as Tyagaraja Aradhana. In the coming year, in 2022, the Aradhana falls on 22nd January. On this day, we see that Abhishekam is done to the deity of Tyagaraja, which adorns that particular temple, and then bhajan is done from his house to the Samadhi, and finally all the musicians, students and everybody congregates together to sing the beautiful Ghanaraga Pancharatnam of Tyagaraja in the Ragam Nata, Gaula, Arabi, Varali and Shri. Today I thought I'll just share some general aspects about these Pancharatnam. Now among these 5 that we are talking about, we see that the first one, Jagadananda Karaka, is the only one in Sanskrit, whereas all the other 4 are in Telugu. The first one starts like Jagadananda Karaka, Jagat Ananda Karaka. That is one who bestows Ananda to the world. And what more appropriate ragam could be than Nata, the beautiful, majestic ragam, to start this Pancharatnam, and that too in the Tara Shadja, going there and giving that complete depiction of that theme itself. And we see that it is in an invocatory style, and it praises the divine qualities of Rama. So throughout this composition, we see that the wonderful qualities of Rama find vivid description. The next one in Gaula offers a different kind of a theme, where it reveals the composer's fear that he should not be a victim to the human weakness, and he addresses his own mind and says that he accuses himself and says that he has sinned without knowing the value of Rama Bhajana. This could also be said to be some kind of a sermon for humanity itself. We know that Tyagaraja could not have sinned, so it is more like something where he gives an advice to the world about the path they have to follow and avoid sins. This is in a very pensive mood. The song, the sahityam, the melody, all of them complement so beautifully, where he starts like Dudu Kugala Nanne Dora. The next one, Arabi, has another different theme in it, which is more in the Ninda Stuti, where Tyagaraja says that the Lord has his own ways by not coming to him and deceiving him. Sagadin chenne o manasa sagadin chenne. The next one in Varali. Here, a beautiful Rendigala gate gives a wonderful description about the beauty and splendor of Rama and the joy that Sri Tyagaraja attains by looking at this beauty and admiring this beauty. Kana kana ruchira kana kavasana nilnu. The final one, Yendaro Bhagano Bhavulu Yendaro Bhagano Bhavu, where he pays homage to the great saints by the composer. You are able to see the utmost humility with which he praises all the great saints. Now, what is special about this Pancharatnam compared to the other group kritis he has composed, like the Kovur Pancharatnam, Lalgudi Pancharatnam, which are based on the particular deity in the temple? Here we see that the concept of Pancharatnam is not about the theme, but about the way in which the songs are structured in a similar manner. We'll be dealing about the structure later, but what I wanted to emphasize here is that the structural point from that, if we see, all these Pancharatnams share similarity, and that's why they've been brought together as the Pancharatnam. Now, by singing this Pancharatnam at Tiruviyare, it is a wonderful experience both for the performer and the listener sitting on the banks of the Kaveri and singing those Pancharatnams. And here we see that it is not only the elite performers, but students, even the lay person, people who know music, who are trying to genuinely understand music. Everybody joins in this beautiful congregational singing of the Pancharatnam. And there I think the larger purpose of Sri Tyagaraja, that music is for all, that music should be pursued by all to attain happiness, is really served, because whether you know music or not, the spirit of participation in that Pancharatnam makes for a great experience. Thus we see that these Pancharatnams are truly great gems that have been given to us by Sri Tyagaraja. CM 365, all about Carnatic music.